So, how to fix Instagram follow problem in less than 50 seconds? Yes, in less than 50 seconds, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks on the settings, go to the Wi-Fi and then disable the Wi-Fi like this. Go back to the settings page, go to the apps manager, click on the apps. Now it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram. When you find it, click on it. It will take you to the app information page. Click on the notifications, disable the notifications and enable them again. Go back, click on force stop and then click on the data usage. Make sure that all those options are enabled like this, especially the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back, now reopen Instagram and turn on the Wi-Fi. Don't forget to like, subscribe.